how to turn off mention and tags notification on Snapchat. Hello guys, today I will show you how to turn off this option. Just watch the video until the end. You go first and you open your Snapchat. Then when your Snapchat is opening, you go up and open your profile. Then you go to the another side here at the right, you click on settings. Then you go to notification and click. Then you will go to mention and you will turn off this by clicking here on this option like that, and that's it. It will work with you. So I hope this video is helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like and subscribe in our channel, and see you next video.